I did not find one answer for this on the entire internet, and I searched for 2.5 hours. So if you're here today and your Vegas Pro is acting like it's from 1922, even though you got it in 2018 and it's just not working. So a lot of you are just gonna open up Sony Vegas like you normally do. So you probably go to try and import media, and it's grayed out. A lot of things are grayed out actually. Properties, capture video, just everything here is just not activated. So I have a fix for you today. So you're gonna go to options, you're gonna hold shift and click preferences. You can let go of shift now. You're gonna see your little internal tab right here. Somewhere around here you should see legacy pro path behavior. If you change this to false because you're curious like me, change it back to true to its default, it'll work. So all you have to do is restart your Sony Vegas. Let's just open it up again and it should be working. None of these are really grayed out, and then you go to import and you can do these. You can make a video. Let's see, I'm gonna import my audio and then just I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm gonna go make another video now.